Hi, I'm Mike with Morgan Inspection Services. In this video, I want to talk to you about how to choose a home inspector and what to think about as you're deciding whom to hire. Choosing an inspector is an important decision, but it doesn't need to be complicated. What many buyers don't realize is that inspectors can differ quite a bit in how they inspect homes, how they communicate, and how they present their findings. One thing that matters is experience, but maybe not in the way that most people usually think about. Experience isn't just how long someone has been inspecting. It's also about what they've inspected. Inspectors who've seen a wide variety of homes, older homes, newer construction, barn dominiums, renovations, and different foundation types tend to have better context for what's normal and what deserves closer attention. Another thing buyers often overlook is that there isn't one best inspector for everyone. We all have different personalities and different preferences, and inspectors do too. Some inspectors are very comfortable with clients being present for the entire inspection. Others prefer to work alone and then review everything with the clients at the end of the inspection. Some inspectors produce relatively short, straightforward reports. Others produce longer, more detailed reports with a lot of explanation. Neither approach is wrong, but one may be a better fit for you than the other. If you're someone who wants to follow the inspector around and ask questions as they go, an inspector who prefers you come only at the end may not be the best fit for you. And if you just want the facts without a lot of extra explanation, you may not want an inspector who produces a 50 or 60-page report. The goal is to choose an inspector whose style matches what you're looking for. Communication also matters. A good home inspector should be willing to explain what they're seeing, answer questions, and help to put findings into context. A report should help you understand the house, not overwhelm you. Many buyers choose an inspector based on a referral from their real estate agent. There's nothing wrong with that. Agents work with inspectors regularly and often know who is thorough, professional, and easy to communicate with. At the same time, it's still your inspection and your money. You should feel comfortable asking questions and choosing someone who fits your needs and preferences. Another factor buyers often focus on is cost. Cost and scheduling matter. I get that. But the cheapest inspector, or the one who can get there the fastest, isn't always the best fit. What matters more is experience, judgment, and the ability to explain what's actually important. Tools can help, but fancy tools don't replace experience. A good home inspector won't tell you whether you should or should not buy the house. Instead, a good inspector helps you understand the condition of the home, the risks involved, and what might deserve further attention. That understanding is what allows you to make your own informed decision. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful to you. If it has, please click that like button down below. Also, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. That way you can be notified when new videos come out. Thanks again.